Today I'm in my survival shelter, trying to survive through the harsh winter weather we're having now. I'm nice and warm in here, but outside it's cold. Wow, look at all the snow we got last night. That's a lot of snow. And the really big snow hasn't come yet. At least I'll stay warm in my survival shelter. Nice and warm. I got a fire going in my stove. Gotta get all this snow off my roof so it don't cave in. We're expecting some more snow. A bigger storm's on its way. So I'm glad I'm getting this off of here. Now I gotta feed my chickens. I've got banny chickens. Gotta feed them no matter how cold it is. They can get up in the building out of the weather. There they are. I guess they don't like being disturbed. Yep. That's one bunch. Now I got one other bunch to feed. Here's some of my other bannies. Boy, they're pretty.
Hey,
got all different colors. There's a pretty rooster. Now we're going to fix some pork and beans. This stove here in my shelter really has a lot of uses. I can cook on it, plus it heats up the shelter. Nothing like a nice hot meal to warm you up. Boy, these pork and beans smell good. Boy, they're good. I should be able to survive the storm out. Nothing like a nice Mountain Dew Zero. Well, I should be able to stay warm in my shelter. Just a poor West Virginia boy trying to survive. Thanks for watching.